Hey guys, welcome to Digit.in. Today we have with us Shanling's M0 portable music player. At the front, you see that it's got Bluetooth 4.1 and high-res audio. At the back, you see the specifications of the player in multiple languages such as French, Dutch and Spanish. Now let's open up the box. Upon sliding off the cover, you see a black box with the Shanling branding on it. Inside the box, you have the player itself, the USB Type-C charging cable, a user manual, and a warranty information. Now, coming to the music player, it is tiny and fits in your pocket easily. It is pretty lightweight as well. On the sides, you have the power button and the dial to customize your volume. At the bottom, you see the USB Type-C port and the 3.5mm headphone jack. On the other side, on opening the cap, you see the micro SD card slot. Now, let's turn it on. Shanling has developed their own M-Touch operating system for the M0. It looks pretty easy to use. At the top, you see the volume indication, the time and the battery level indication as well. Below, you see a set of options. The now playing option features any lists and if you want to categorize any of your songs based on the artist or their album, it is categorized over here. The My Music option also opens up the same thing basically. The folders option is for loading songs off of your micro SD card. Using the playback option, you can adjust the maximum volume levels. So for example, if you set your volume level down to 31 and then go back, the maximum volume you can increase will be limited to only 31 and that's it. You can't increase anything more than that. Using the system option, you can update the music that is loaded onto it via Bluetooth or SD card or whatever. Using Bluetooth, you can turn on Bluetooth for pairing options. You have a sleep timer option, so after every 50 minutes the screen will go dim, or 30 minutes depending on your choice. You also have an option to select the theme that you want. So now it's got a purplish theme for it. You can also choose from a set of languages such as English, Chinese, Japanese, Korean, French. Below that, you have a factory setting option where what it does is basically restores every setting on this player back to its original settings. So that's it guys. That was the unboxing of Shanling's M0 portable music player. Thank you for watching and goodbye.